In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create entity relationship diagrams in 3 minutes using ChatGPT AI, Mermaid, and Draw.io. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type ChatGPT. This will help you locate the ChatGPT website where we'll generate some helpful code for our diagram. After the search results appear, find the official ChatGPT website link and click on it to access the site. Now that you're on the ChatGPT webpage, it's time to input a specific prompt to generate the code for our diagram. In the input box, type the prompt, "Generate code for entity relationship diagram." This magic sentence will instruct ChatGPT to create the necessary code framework. Once your prompt is ready, hit enter and watch as ChatGPT generates the code you need. With the code now available, the next step is to copy it. Simply highlight the entire code that ChatGPT has provided and copy it to your clipboard. This code is what we'll use in the upcoming steps to generate an diagram visualization. Now it's time to bring in some visualization magic using the Mermaid Live Editor. Launch a new tab in your browser and go to the Mermaid Live Editor by searching for it or using the direct URL if you have it handy. Once you're there, locate the code section within the Mermaid Live Editor. You'll notice a space where you can enter code. Delete any pre-existing content in that section and paste the code you copied from ChatGPT. The Mermaid Live Editor will automatically generate a diagram for you, bringing your code to life visually. To further enhance this visualization, we jump onto the Draw.io website, where we can work on customizing our diagram even more. Open Draw.io in a new browser tab or window. Once you reach the home page, click on the Start button to initiate a new diagram session. You'll be greeted with several options. Here, you want to click on the plus sign located at the top center of the interface. This will open additional tools and options for your diagram. In the drop-down, look for Mermaid and select it. This feature in Draw.io allows you to work with the Mermaid code we've been using. Paste the ChatGPT-generated Mermaid code into the provided space. Now that the code is in Draw.io, click on Insert. The software will now render your diagram using the code you've carefully prepared. And there you have it, a fully functional and visually engaging diagram, ready for review or presentation. With these tools and steps, creating diagrams is not only quick and efficient, but also an enjoyable task. Thanks to the power of AI and online tools, you can streamline this process in just a few minutes. Happy diagramming!